I'm back. I am back and I hope sent you request. नहीं नहीं हे भगवान. Yeah, I think she'll just send me a request. Hello, she's back, and go live with Shreya.
Yeah, she's coming, waiting, connecting.
So now a new lesson learned. There is only a time limit that you can do it on.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
And Instagram should actually change this rule, because if we are doing live, it's gonna go on for hours.
Anyway, we were talking about Gulzar Saab's love and affection, both for he was so clear that who are the people who should sing that album.
Yeah.
He wanted Shreya, he wanted Shan. Shan also, because Gulzar Saab was so close to Shan's father. And he has a sense of right and wrong. I don't know how he gets it. He just knows how to join the dots. And so I think
he genuinely the good souls immediately attract him, and I think it's all about that sense of, if it's a good person who has no agenda in life when it's coming to Gulzar Saab. I think it's something that even I have. Like, I have that filter with me. Whenever I am around with people, I'm usually very receptive to everything, but I do have, you know that very well, that in my inner circle, very few people have ever been in that inner circle. So I'm very, like, I only get close to people who are genuine, true, like the core. Like, it's very difficult when you have, like, Gulzar Saab has been in this industry for so long, and he must have had so many experiences of, he is the writer, he's a lyricist, as a director. He has met so many people who want so many things when you are at that, level. So he does have that big filter, and we feel so fortunate that he's let us into that.
Very beautifully said. Very beautifully said. In fact, I think you and me both learned so much about Tagore from him, his perspective. From one poet. What a privilege, Shreya. Think about it. What a privilege to know about Tagore from Gulzar.
So true.
And we are so fortunate
having heard Tagore from our childhood. It's completely a new perspective towards whatever we have, like, heard from our moms, dads, and घर पे हमेशा बजता रहता है. कभी इस तरह से तो हम लोगों ने सोचा भी नहीं था.
बिल्कुल. I remember वो जो गाना था ना, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया. He said कि शांतनु, and he's a master of relationships. माने उनसे बेहतर relationship कोई कभी समझ नहीं सकता. तो वो कहते हैं कि शांतनु, हर चीज का एक दायरा होता है, एक बाउंड्री होता है. And I remember Shreya was saying that, Shreya, if we are too possessive and we try and pull that boundary or pull that elastic, वो टूट जाता है. So let's respect each other's space. That is the best way to what a content. And think about it, Tagore wrote it then.
Like, people say na, I need space.
Correct.
That's a very concept. Like, you have to give each other that space. If you'd like overpower and just suffocate someone, it will not stay like that.
Absolutely.
That's such a contemporary new thought, but it was there.
Correct.
Tagore said it so many years ago, and Gulzar Saab interpreted it in his way. Amazing.
मेरे को भी भैया गाओ. Sorry, you take the scale.
लेकिन गुलजार साहब ने पहले कुछ बोला था. देखिए, टैगोर कितने खामोश सवाल करते हैं जिंदगी से.
क्या बात.
बड़ा नाजुक एहसास है. जहां जहां जिंदगी का दामन उसकी गुंजाइश से ज्यादा खींचा. I love these words. जहां जहां जिंदगी का दामन उसकी गुंजाइश से ज्यादा खींचा, वहां वहां उसकी सांस फूल गई. बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, ज्यादा ही बचाया था। मिलन की रात मैंने जाग कर, इसलिए वो बुझ गया, वो बुझ गया, वो बुझ गया। I'm missing Shan here.
Yes.
ओ मुरझा गया फूल क्यों, मुरझा गया फूल क्यों, मुरझा गया फूल क्यों, प्यार की बेचैनियों में उसको सीने में दबा रखा था मैंने, इसलिए वो मुरझा गया, मुरझा गया, मुरझा गया। इसके इतने सारे अंतरे हैं ना, इसमें सारे ही बहुत कमाल हैं। इसलिए सूखी नदी इसलिए सूखी नदी, बांध बांधा जरूरत के लिए उस पर, बांध बांधा जरूरत के लिए उस पर, हमेशा के लिए रख लो, इसलिए सूखी नदी, इसलिए सूखी नदी। तार चटखा साज का क्यों, तार चटखा
तार का
क्यों,
साज का क्यों, करेक्ट। सितार का जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट का जो तार खटकता
क्यों टूटा,
हाँ,
चटका मतलब वो टूट जाता
आइडिया
है।
विजुअल इमेजरी इतने अमेजिंग है कि जब सितार का तार बज रहा है तो हम उसको मीट के लिए हम उसको पुल करते हैं,
पुल करते
आपने
हैं।
अगर ज्यादा पुल कर दिया तो वो टूट गया। दिस इज द होल आइडिया।
तार चटखा साज का
वाह।
क्यों, उसकी हद से ज्यादा खिंच गया था सुर लगाने, इसलिए तार चटखा, इसलिए
বেঙ্গলিটা বাংলাটা কি আছে?
দিয়ে ঝংকার তাই ছিড়ে গেল তার, দিয়েছিল ঝংকার তাই ছিড়ে গেল তার।
Awesome. Shreya, we have been chatting for more than an hour now.
Yeah. It feels like one of our, अरे it's been so long ना शांतनु, you know.
I know, that is true. That is true. That is true.
हम लोग लोगों को क्यों इस तरह के टॉर्चर करें just because we feel like.
No, but I think it was your idea कि यार why should we torture ourselves only? Let's torture others also.
हाँ, सबको साथ में ले
live करते हैं yesterday once more, but Shreya, awesome. Thank you. अभी क्या बोलना चाहिए goodbye या you want to
You
go
say.
on? अभी एक्स्ट्रा थोड़ा टाइम मिला है तो थोड़ा अच्छा लेट मी हाँ
इसमें कितना लंबा टाइमर है?
वही उतना ही होगा ना। 1 घंटा का टाइम होता है इंस्टाग्राम लाइव।
नहीं, I think we should.
हाँ 5 मिनट में रैप अप करते हैं।
We should spare the people, no? They are nice people.
So, but the thing was that so Shreya, whenever Shreya is going for somewhere for a holiday, now of course Shiloh is there and he's an amazing planner and all that. But पहले before she was married,
अरे उसके पहले कहाँ वेकेशन किया है मैंने, छुट्टियां
हाँ, तो एक बार वो भूटान गई थी।
हाँ।
तो भूटान में उसने मेरे को पूछा था कि क्या क्या देखने का है, तो मैंने बोल के फिर मैं जानबूझ के मैंने एक नाम दिया था वहां पे, उसका नाम क्या, टाइगर्स नेस्ट। तो विच ओनली आई न्यू वो कितना चढ़ाई है, पर उसको मैंने बताया नहीं था। तो शी वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड। आज मैं जा रही हूँ टाइगर्स नेस्ट।
क्या स्नीकर वीकर पहन के, टोपी वोपी लगा के।
शाम को मैंने जब फोन किया, कैसा लगा, हेलो What
I am
happened?
pretty much in that state right now. Every day is
I, I,
Tiger's Nest.
I am dead. I said, we said, why didn't you tell me? So Tiger's Nest, जो people have gone to Bhutan, it goes up, नीचे, last में एक लगता है कि आ गया है, उसके बाद it just goes down and down and down. तो after मतलब कि आप मर जाते हो, उसके बाद की बात I will never reach there.
क्या है ना, this is the arrogance of that person who does Himalayas every second day. Like Himalayas तो क्या बाएं हाथ का खेल है. He goes and like lives in a tent in -40°C and it's like, okay, I mean, कर लिया है तो टाइगर्स नेस्ट कर ले, ऐसा मतलब वो जैसे नेबरहुड की बात है कि थोड़ा घूम के आ जा. एंड हम लोग के लिए थोड़ा it was like, for me it was Everest. We did.
But amazing, your dad also went with you, right?
My dad did. So honestly,
Amazing.
I would have chickened out, to be honest. It was dad who made up basically like, I have come here, I am going to do this. Mom was staying in the hotel. I said, oh, she's not going, she's going to enjoy the nature. So now I have to be my dad's sidekick as I'm always. So I went there. And in his enthusiasm, and thankfully dad took a little break here and there because you know age है. तो इसकी वजह से मैंने थोड़ी सांस ली.
In fact, for the people who are watching this, मेरा reputation इतना ही खराब है उनके घर में कि जब भी कोई recording होता है and Shreya's father asks that, तो श्रेया आज किसका recording है? शांतनु का. कहते फिर 2-3 दिन चलेगा.
No, to be honest, when I come back home, it's like, hello, like हुआ कुछ हुआ.
But thank you, Shreya, for doing this. This was just amazing. Good adda. Thanks to this, relieved. कितना कुछ भूल चुका था मैं actually. It was just amazing. I know. I got a memory problem. हाँ, बहुत problem है. But I was telling them that how you're my technology guru. But you scold a lot these days, which is not good, but it's okay. Thankfully I could manage this. Rebooting this.
See, only if I scold you, and to be honest, हक से मैं डांटती हूँ क्योंकि I love you so much. That's why.
क्या
मैं डांट, उसके डांट में भी मिठास है यार. तो you know that.
तेरे को मिठास दिखता होगा, मेरे को तो नहीं दिखता.
क्योंकि मैंने बहुत डांट खाई है पूरी लाइफ में तुमसे. So I have now it's all like revenge time. So nowadays, because now I have finally something where I can scold you for all the mentorship that you've given me in life. It's all fine. But when it comes to technology.
Yeah, but I mentioned this before you came online was that Shreya, I'm so indebted to your fan club, who they are your fans, but the amount of love and respect that I get from them each time, it's such an amazing thing. And you have some of the best fans that I know. They're so on. They're so. एक होता ना कि these are not the पागलबंदी वाले fan. They are cultured. They are amazingly cultured. The way they point out here, whatever. It's such a lovely feeling to know you have a family. You have a family, Shreya, who really loves you, and somewhere
we call ourselves SG family.
And
it is the family, truly.
They have given me a beautiful small room in that SG family, which is wonderful.
Come on, you are part of that family. We're all in it because, and to be honest, they keep thanking you always for every time we have created such memories, or like this live chat is very special to not just me, to all the fans who are watching, because this way they have never seen me talk. We have never spoken like this, like as from a friend's perspective. You're not just a very dear friend, you are also one of the most important composers in my life. We have made so many landmark benchmark songs. So it's a very unique experience for everyone, I feel. We should do it more. Now that you know how to do live,
I'll do 2-3 more rehearsals. I'll do it. A big hello to Shreya's Ma and Baba. I don't know whether they're watching or not. My Mama and Baba are watching this.
Oh,
so in Delhi, we just taught them how to use Instagram. I and them are on the same page. But it's wonderful. And thank you, Shreya, for doing this.
तो मैं भी फोन लगाती हूँ इसको रखने के बाद फोन पे बात करते हैं.
ये सीयू कैसे करते हैं, इसको एंड कैसे करते हैं? ऊपर है कुछ.
हाँ, वो जो क्रॉस बटन दिख रहा है, क्रॉस दिख रहा है.
हाँ,
साइड पे ऊपर.
Okay, got it.
On that
Thank
note,
you.
Very soon we'll meet again with tech guru Shantanu Moitra and of course.
Bye.
Bye.